Hey peeps. Oh, this is so rude. Hi. Hi guys. What's up? It's me, Ann. And I don't know what I'm saying. Hey guys, it's Ann, and welcome back to my channel. So it has been a hot minute since I have uploaded or filmed anything. Yeah, I kind of just took a really long break after Vlogmas, and then the end of the semester came up in the end of January and things just got really busy. But here I am with a new video, finally. So, today I thought it would be kind of fun to do like a cooking with Ann. I haven't really done one in a while. If you hear like clicking and such, my younger brother is next to me playing a computer game. So, we'll just be here to chat. And it'll be a good time. So, stay tuned. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, you do it, Alrighty, so today we are going to be making some chicken drumsticks. By the way, today's Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, or Single Awareness Day, or Galentine's Day, Palentine's Day, whichever you want to celebrate. Happy February 14th. Happy day. Okay, so I'm going to start by, what am I going to start by? Oh yeah. Well, first we have to preheat the oven. I didn't do that before. Now we just wait. This is awkward. And we're back. So, finally got the oven preheated, and now I'm going to set these up to bake. Oh, that'll be fun.
Yeah, I have to beat that and then
Just spray it with some oil. Whoa, that's slimy. And then I'm just lining these alternately, is that a word? On the pan. Oh, that's so cute! Ah! Look at this cute little chicken bone. It's so tiny. It goes in that corner.
it's almost as tiny and skinny as I am.
Mm-hmm. Alright, now we are going to pop these in the oven for about an hour. Okay, now I am going to work on the potatoes. So, here they are. That works, hopefully. I don't know. So basically I'm going to wash these potatoes and then cut them up, put some seasonings on them, Usually I do baked potatoes, but today I'm going to try my hand at roasted potatoes, which are like in little cubes with spices and stuff, so it should be good. By the way, this is what I use this kind of potatoes with. It's like a little potato man. Focus right. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Alright, hopefully you can see me. So now I just put all the potatoes into this bag. And then I just set this aside, and now I'm going to cut up some onions. Okay, so I have the cut up potatoes and onions in this bag, and now I'm going to put some oil and seasoning in it so that they taste good. 1/4 cup of olive oil, 3 teaspoons Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons salt, close this bag and shake it all up. Okay, and now I have a 9x13 glass pan, and I'm going to pour all of these potatoes into the pan. Now I spread this all out, and you want them to not be so piled up on each other because they'll get more crispy that way. So here they are. And now I'm going to put these in the oven for about half an hour. Okay, I set a timer for 10 minutes because you're supposed to turn them about 2 or 3 times while they're baking. So I just figured I'd do it in 3 10-minute intervals. So yeah, now just wait for half an hour for it to cook.